What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MMTLP and FINRA saga.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And on today's video I will show you the latest news directly related to our story. I will show you an update of the recent news in regards to TradeStation issue. And I will show you how and who can sue TradeStation. On top of that, I will show you the exact rules that was breached by TradeStation, and I will show you the overall status of our current issue. So, and before we dive deep into all of this, guys, please hit the like button for YouTube algorithm. It is the easiest way how we can push this video forward to the broader audience, and eventually it will help us to win this battle. So guys, for now we have two main activity lines that we have to follow. One of them is definitely this letter that was written by Ralph Norman's office and that was signed by multiple Congress members. And the latest update is still there. I don't have any other information than rather than this one. We have 89 signatures, but this information was disclosed just a couple of days ago at the very end of last year. And I think for now we achieved the 100 signatures level. And in my opinion, in upcoming couple of days, we will have the latest data in regards of this number. So let me show you the next path that we have to follow. Iron Ape made an update in regards to TradeStation issue, and he wrote, call to action, update MMTLP TradeStation shares. As of 9 p.m. of the 1st of January, 26 shareholders reporting with verified MMTLP shares purchased at TradeStation own 75.41% of the total 122,622 shares of the master certificate. If you want to participate, please DM me, Junk Savvy or Russ Race, your TradeStation MMTLP shares with the following: 1. Screenshot of position, 2. Name, 3. Email, and 4. Permission to share this information internally. The share count can also be updated with the shares that was sent to AST. We'll be reporting until we hit 100% of the master certificate. And here is the table. Let me show you that we have 26 people who provided this information, and only 26 people already filled for more than 75% the entire position of TradeStation. And guys, this is not the biggest broker-dealer. We know that this broker-dealer is drastically smaller than the major players, and if we assume that any other major broker-dealer has the same issue, we can see that the share imbalance and the short position on MMTLP stock is huge. And we have to fight against this, and we have to push this case forward. How we can do it? Let me show you this thread. And yesterday I showed you this thread. It was the conversation between Mark Basile and Trader Zero. Trader Zero provided this information about the rules of their lending process. And with the first bullet point, they clearly stated that they don't have any responsibility if something bad happens with these shares. But at the same time, Mark Basile stated that they violated the Securities Act rule. And Trader Zero again wrote this tweet, and he admits that he doesn't know a lot in regards to the securities laws. However, he has a very good knowledge of securities lending, and he make this summary. He summarized: TradeStation offers clients an opportunity to earn incremental revenue on shares held. Second point, the client makes the conscientious decision after reading all disclosures to sign the share lending agreement and participate. And 3. The client has the opportunity and responsibility to stop, sell, or continue to lend each security based on their own risk tolerance and self-directed investment account. And here is the most concerning part according to Trader Zero, because all the responsibility is on the customer side. But at the same time, guys, I disagree with this opinion, because if the client has the responsibility and the opportunity to stop, sell, or continue to lend each security, this means if he needs it, he can stop whenever they want. But with the latest update from TradeStation, they cannot. These customers cannot do it. And this means it is a pure violation of the Securities Act. On top of that, Mark Basil, let me show you somewhere here. Mark Basil responded. They breached the securities rule 15C3-3. This is the body of law that makes them completely liable in this instance. And on top of this, let me show you that Mark Basil also stated, and he made this response on this tweet: TradeStation has violated SEC rule 15C3-3. Broker-dealers are required to hold customer securities in proper custody and make arrangements to safeguard these assets. What has the SEC and FINRA done regarding this issue? And Mark responded, yes, that the client protection rule from the Securities and Exchange Act that imposes strict standards on brokers regarding lending shares and subsequently making them responsible for them when they cannot recall and resell back to client account. Get ready for hundreds of lawsuits. Hundreds of lawsuits, guys. And this is the crucial part, because if we have this pure evidence that TradeStation violated this rule, and we can sue them. On top of that, let me show you that Sensei found, basically he republished this tweet that was written by John Bowen, and John Bowen wrote, private info given me, violations of section 10b5 violated. A market maker cancelled orders and was not electronically connected. Orders had to be called in, and they was setting the bid and ask. Investors did not have normal price discovery or execution, and the practice not free market. And this is another rule that potentially was breached by TradeStation, and we have to know any potential path how we can sue them. And let me show you that Richard Hoffman explains who can sue them directly and who can sue them indirectly. And he published this: to all you scumbags out there, 2023 was our warm-up year. 2024 is when we finish you off. Have a terrible year. And he published a new video, and this is a very thoroughly made video, when he explains how basically any MMTLP shareholder can sue TradeStation. Definitely, the most obvious part of his video is that any TradeStation customer can sue them because of the contract itself. But we have two more options. One option is that any third party that might be disclosed in the contract of TradeStation also might sue this company as well. On top of that, and Richard explains it pretty good on the example of just ordinary driver who has a duty not to strike any vehicles or pedestrians. He explains it, and he refers to the California's laws, where if someone has any financial damages because of the actions of any company, they can sue this company. And this is definitely the case of TradeStation and any other MMTLP shareholder. Because with these counterfeit shares, any existing MMTLP shareholder has a few share of the company because of dilution. And because of this, basically any shareholder can sue them. And that is why, guys, I highly encourage you to file a lawsuit, but please do not file a class action lawsuit, because in this case the procedure will be much longer, and the amount of potential settlement will be not the best one for any participants of this case. So, I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.